Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to view shared photos in a group on Telegram using your PC. With the latest update, accessing media in your groups has become simpler than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the official Telegram website and download the desktop version. Once installed, log into your account. Next, locate the group where you want to view shared photos. You can find it by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top of the app. Once you've found the group, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window for the group's name. Click on it. This will take you to the contact info or group details page. Here, you'll find various options and settings related to the group. On this page, locate and click on the Photos section. This is where all images shared within the group are stored. Telegram organizes these photos neatly, allowing you to browse through them effortlessly. Once inside the Photos section, you can scroll through all shared images in chronological order. You can click on any photo to view it in full screen or download it directly to your device. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can access all shared photos in any Telegram group on your PC. This feature makes it easy to revisit memories or find important images shared in your conversations. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials.